And we're back now here at Senado Square in Macau, China. And we'll take you around the city center. But before that, kain muna tayo guys. So Macau City has a lot of outlets and different stores, standalone stores, and food. So nakikita natin guys, ang daming tao talagang gumagala and namamasyal dito sa Macau. Kasi maraming mga stores na branded and marami ding stores na owned by Chinese. When I first came to Macau was 10 years ago. Ay hindi naman ganito yung itsura, pero ngayon napaka-develop na-preserve, and talagang maganda yung kultura ng mga Chinese guys. So karon namin ni Dayday o among pamilya diri sa Macau. Mabay Dayday. Bye-bye. Ina hello. Ina hello. Mahimo na be, pananin mo slag. And pati yung transportation nila ay napaka-organized. So, mo pa'y pagkabot na mo diri sa Macau guys. And namin sa Senado Square karon. And nakikita nyo naman guys, mga buildings sila ay mala arkitekto na galing sa Spain. And napaka-organize yung lugar nila. Kahit saan kang sulok dyan pumunta ay puro concrete areas, high-rise buildings, maganda ang architectures na para bang nasa Europe ka. And they're also adapting European and Western style. Kaya talagang makikita mong napag-iwanan na talaga yung bansa natin. Kasi dati, itong Macau ay isang maliit na city lamang. And ngayon, very sophisticated na, gumagamit na sila ng mga magandang at makabagong teknolohiya. And tumaas na din yung ekonomiya nila. At dun sa malayo ay makikita mo ang Grand Lisboa Hotel. Macau is a special administrative region of China, located across the Pearl River Delta from Hong Kong. Renowned as the Las Vegas of Asia for its massive gambling industry, combining Cantonese culture with 400 years of Portuguese influence. It features historic European-style architecture, a vibrant Macanese culinary scene like the egg tarts, and high-stakes casinos on the Cotai Street. You know, sa may flavor na rin?
Oreo.
Ha?
Oreo.
Oreo? Situated on the southeast coast of China, it borders Guangdong Province. It consists of Macau Peninsula, Taipa, and Colorway, with the Cotai Reclamation Area joining the islands. And for the history, a former Portuguese colony until 1999 when it was returned to Chinese rule. This history is visible in architecture, street signs, and cuisine. And ngayon naman guys ay mamasyal tayo, sasakay tayo ng minibus, and kakain tayo sa isang masarap na Macanese restaurant. So, muna ilang sisling guys. Meat gudog taman. Marag pepper lunch tirada ba? Pero marag mas authentic mo sa pepper lunch. Kasi yan ang specialty nga pork natin. And after namin kumain ay naglakalakad at nagpicture. And pupunta kami patungong the Grand Lisboa. And also on our next video ay pupunta kami sa mga resort hotels nila and casino. Mga hilas doon sa sikat na Cotai Strip where makikita mo ang Venetian Macau and other casinos hotel. At patungo na tayo sa Venetian Macau, sa Parisian, and the Londoner, where you can see a lot of restaurant, hotel, casinos, and of course the picturesque, the beauty of the area. So we are riding a bus from the Senado Square going to the Cotai Strip, and as you can see, makikita mo yung Macau highest tower or the Macau Tower, and also the Mermaid. Marami mga palace hotel na napakaganda guys. Ito naman yung port, and dito tayo mag-aabang ng bus. Okay. At ayan na nga guys, ay maghihintay tayo ng bus para sasakay tayo ng libre. So remember and reminders na libre ang papuntang Cotai Strip. And ayan na yung bus at sasakay na tayo. Ibo, tanaw to. So abangan nyo guys ang video namin sa Macau, sa Cotai Strip.